Welcome back to my channel, guys. To my returning supporters, thank you so much for joining me. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, please consider subscribing and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to make some Jamaican ginger pineapple bulla. If you want to see how I made these, guys, just keep on watching. Here I have some ginger and some pineapple, and I'm going to blend those separately. Here also I have some brown sugar, and I'm going to add half a cup of water, mix to dissolve. Then we move on to the other ingredients. Moving along, here I'm adding some vanilla. I'm also going to add some melted butter, and a full list of all the ingredients used to make these bulla will be in the description box below. And I'm going to mix. I'm also going to use some almond essence, milk, Here I'm also adding some molasses. You can use browning. And I'm going to mix to combine and set aside. We move on to the dry ingredients. Moving along, guys, here I have some all-purpose flour. I'm going to add some baking soda, baking powder, ginger powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and I'm going to mix to combine, and we go on to the other steps. Moving along, I'm going to add my blended ginger, pulse and all, and I'm also going to add my pineapple. I'm going to mix to combine that. Then we can go on to adding the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. With clean hands, I'm going to add the wet ingredients to my dry ingredients while kneading until we get a nice dough. Then we move on to the other steps. Just watch the procedure, okay, guys? After kneading, I'm going to allow my dough to rest for 5 minutes. Then we flour our work surface, rolled out our dough, and we can make circles of our choice depending on the size you need, okay? Make sure to flour your rolling pin so it doesn't stick to the dough. And we rolled out, place on our baking sheet, and we're going to place this in our oven for 25 minutes, and after finished, then we put them on our cooling rack before serving. And here are all my bullas fresh from the oven. I'm placing them on a cooling rack, and I'm going to allow them to cool down a little, then we brush with some melted butter. After which we can serve with cheese, avocado, in Jamaica we say pear, or just as it is. As you see guys, making your own bulla at home, very easy to make. And if you store these properly, if they last, they can last for a week in a Ziploc bag. And here I have a display with cheese and avocado, and they smell so delicious and the taste were just the same. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, please share, comment. Tell me all about it in the comment section. And as usual guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, bye bye.